afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
So yesterday we discussed a few problems related to
Good afternoon, sir.
after 5 minutes good afternoon you are saying one by one coming and saying why coming so late? Yes, so yesterday we have done a few problems and you were told to do the problems from the book. I think you all have done.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Anyone having any doubt, anything to ask?
Sir, question number 6.
Question number
6.
write the message. Voice is not clear. Question number 6. Okay, I'm coming with the book. Question number 6 is find the time taken by 500-watt heater to raise the temperature of 50 kg of material of specific heat capacity, this much kg per Kelvin, from 18 to 38. Assuming that all the heat energy supplied by the heater is given to the material. Okay. So in this case, heat supplied by electric heater will be its power input time. And you know, power is rate of doing work. In case of electrical appliance, how much energy is consumed per unit time, that is its power. So how much energy it is consuming, that will be power into time. If this heater is 100% efficient, the same power will be or same energy will be converted into heat energy. That is just a assumption one only. So power is given 500 watts and time we have to find. So 500 watt into T. So watt means joule per second. So this is suppose 500 watt and time we are taking in second. So watt per watt means joule per second, second cancel. So this one will become 500 into T. This we have taken in joule. So this much heat is supplied by the heater. Now this heat is gained by that material. Heat gained by the material. This we will find by mass into specific capacity into rising temperature. Mass you are given 50 kg, 960 is specific capacity, and 18 to 38. So it is 50 kg, 960 joules per kg per Kelvin, and 38 minus 28 degrees Celsius. So Kelvin or degree Celsius is same. So kg cancel, degree Celsius cancel, so answer is coming in joule. So it is 50 into 960 into 20. No, 18 is here, no? $18 to 38. So this much joule will be. Now according to principle, as it is given, whatever heat is supplied is absorbed by the material. So this must be equal to this. So according to question, this 500 T must be equal to 50 into 960 into 20. So this T you will find. So this much second will be the time in which the temperature of this much kg will be increased by 20 degrees Celsius or from 18 degrees to 38 degrees. Okay, time this much second, you can change it into minute or hour. You may leave the answer in second also, no problem. Yes, next one.
Number 12.
Number 12. The temperature of 600 gram cold water rises by 15 degree when 300 gram hot water at 550 degrees added to it. What is the initial temperature of cold water? Okay. Let initial temperature, this is number 12. Previous one was number 6. Okay, X degrees Celsius or T degrees Celsius or theta degrees Celsius, whatever you may use. So temperature of 600 gram cold water rises by 15 degrees Celsius. So temperature of cold water we have taken X. So what will be the temperature of mixture? Temperature of mixture will be X plus 15. Its temperature rises by 15 degrees Celsius. So temperature of cold water increases from X to X plus 15 whereas temperature of hot water will fall from hot water is 50 degrees Celsius. So from 50 degree it will fall to this temperature. Now we'll find heat gained by cold water and heat lost by hot water. So heat gained by cold water. Or directly we'll apply the principle of calorimetry. Will be heat lost by hot water. So mass of cold water into specific capacity of water into rising temperature must be equal to mass of cold water, hot water. Specific capacity of water will be same, falling temperature. So mass of cold water you are given 600 gram. Specific capacity at both sides water is only coming. So no need to substitute the value. It will cancel. So mass of this one is 600 gram. Now what is the rising temperature? So it is x plus 15 minus x, or directly you can write 15 degrees Celsius, which is the rising temperature. Hot water is 300 gram. And what is the falling temperature? From 50 degree, it will come up to x plus 15 because this is the temperature of mixture. Two times. So twice into this x has cancelled, 15 will be equal to 50 minus x minus 15. So temperature of cold water is 5 degrees Celsius. Value of x we got 5. Now some other way also there. Suppose in place of this we are taking, let temperature of mixture someone is taking, not the cold water. Temperature of mixture is x degrees Celsius. Then what will be? So same, heat gained by cold water equal to heat lost. So here, rise in temperature you are directly given. So rise in temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. And in this case, it will become 50 minus x. Because temperature of mixture we have taken x. Now what will be the answer? 300 to ja, that is 2 into 15 will be 50 minus x. Minus 30, so it is 20. That means we got temperature of mixture is 20 degrees Celsius. Because X we have assumed temperature of mixture. This we are not asked. So generally what happens, when we are doing this way, we got the value of X, we will write this is the answer. So last step generally student forgets. So that's why we prefer to assume whatever is asked, that only we will use the assumption. So if you are doing this way, then what will be initial temperature of cold water? -20°C minus 15°C, because 15°C was the rise in temperature. So this will be 5°C. So either that way or this way you can find yes. Any other?
Number 8, sir.
Yes.
Number 8. Number 8, sir.
Voice is not clear. Just to write the message. Write the number. Which one? Question number 8. Question number 8 is 0.5 kg of lemon squash at 30°C placed in a refrigerator, which can remove heat at an average rate 30 joule per second. Okay. How long will it take to cool the lemon squash to 5°C? Specification is this much. So it will be same as number 6. So here rate of heat rejection, that means power. So per second how much heat is absorbed? So let refrigerator second to cool the lemon squash. So what will be the heat absorbed by refrigerator or heat rejected? It is said in 1 second it can reject 30 joule heat. 30 joule per second. So it will become 30 joule per second into T second. So this is cancelled. So it will become 30 into T. This much joule is the heat rejected. Like the number 6. What was the heat given by the electric heater? So power into time. Power means what? Rate of heat produced or rate of energy produced or rate of electric energy consumed. Now from this side we will find what is the heat lost by this lemon squash. So mass is 0.5 kg from 30 degree to 5 degree. So heat lost by Lehmann squares. Mass into specific capacity into fall in temperature. So mass is given 0.5 kg. Specific heat capacity same as water you are given. And fall in temperature is from 30 degree it has come to 5 degree. -30 minus 5 degree Celsius. Okay. So kg cancel, degree Celsius cancel. This also will come in Joule. So 2100 into 25. This much Joule. Now according to question, what should be? Whatever heat is rejected by this Lehmann squares, it is absorbed by the refrigerator. So according to question, what should be? This 30 into T must be equal to 2100. Twenty-five 7 175. So this much. So time will become 1750 second. You can give answer in minute and second. Or you may leave in second only, no problem. So time will be 1750 second. Yes, any other? Yes. Over. Any other doubt? No. Okay, suppose you are given, in order to prepare water, 50 kg water, okay. To take bath at 30 degrees Celsius, hot water at 80 degrees Celsius is mixed with cold water at 5 degrees Celsius. Find mass of hot and cold water to be mixed. So how much hot water you will take and how much cold water you will take, so that you can prepare water to take bath. We require temperature of water should be 30 degrees Celsius and total amount of water should be 50 kg. So you find mass of hot, how much cold water you will mix. In order to prepare 50 kg water to take bath at 30 degrees Celsius, hot water at 80 degrees Celsius is mixed with cold water at 5 degrees Celsius. Find mass of hot water and cold water to be mixed. So when you are using the mixer in the bathroom, two connection are there, one from the geyser and one from the tank. So from the tank, water which is coming is at 5 degrees Celsius, and from the geyser, the water which is coming is at 80 degrees Celsius. So what should be the ratio of mixing? Sometimes you will be asked what will be the ratio of mixing, or sometimes it is asked like this. Total water is suppose 50 kg, then how much cold, how much hot will be there? Yes. This much time you will get. What, is anyone trying or sleeping only all? All of you are sleeping,
Trying, sir.
trying.
Trying, sir. Trying.
Huh?
Trying, sir.
It is not going in correct direction. So suppose let mass of cold water be x kg. Okay. 18.5 gram per cc, where from it came? You are asked to find mass, then gram per cc is the unit of mass. Who was that? Mass will be in gram, kilogram. This up to all 16.767 watt. Horse or dog or donkey? 27.77 watt. Hot or cold? Hot or cold? What? Two are there? No. Hot water how much? Cold water how much? Or sometime will be asked the ratio, in which ratio you will mix the two. Okay. So suppose mass of cold water is x kg. Then what will be the mass of hot water?
Fifty minus
It
X.
will be 50 minus x kg, because total we have to prepare 50 kg. So total water is 50 kg. So x is hot water, then 50 minus x will be cold water. Now heat will be lost by this hot water, which is at 80 degree. So its temperature is decreasing from 80 to 30, whereas its temperature is increasing from 5 to 30. So heat gained by this, heat lost by this, both will be equal. So heat lost by hot water equal to heat gained by cold water. Heat lost by hot water. Mass is 50 minus x kg. Both side water is there, so specific capacity we will write suppose SW. That will be cancelled. Both sides. Its temperature is decreasing from 80 degree to 30 degree. Mass of cold water is x kg. Specific heat capacity again same SW, and its temperature is increasing from 5 degree to 30 degree. So hot water's temperature is decreasing from 80 to 30, cold water's temperature is increasing from 5 to 30. So this SW will be cancelled. So 50 minus x into 50 will be equal to x into 25. So 25 puja. That is 100 minus 2x is X. So this X is 100 by 3, that is 33.33 kg. So mass of (33.33 kg) and that of hot water (50 minus this). So 16.67 kg. If you are asked the ratio, then one is 100 by 3, another will be how much? 50 by 3. So in the ratio of 2:1. So 2 kg cold and 1 kg hot will be mixed. So when you are opening the mixture tap, what will be? The cold water should be coming twice and hot water will be just half of the cold water. Then you will get the mixture temperature will be 30 degrees. Temperature of 400 gram hot water falls by 30 degrees Celsius when mixed with 300 gram cold water at 10 degrees Celsius. Find initial temperature of hot water. It's the same as number 12. Just now we have done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now some other teacher may come anytime. So just finish this. Next we shall start change of state. Forty Kelvin is wrong answer. Cannot be.
So temperature of mixture will not be
Kelvin
given.
means below 0 degrees Celsius, below ice point you are saying. (48 Kelvin cannot be 0 degree Celsius means 273 Kelvin. How it will be 48 Kelvin?
40 degrees Celsius.
Okay, that is also wrong. 40 degrees Celsius, 48 degrees Celsius, wrong only. Just now we did number 12, same as number 12 we have to do.
60 degrees Celsius.
Yes,
60 degrees Celsius.
60 degrees Celsius is also doubtful, maybe also. 60, that is 30. Yeah, I think so. 60 degree only it will come. So suppose temperature of hot water or mixture, whatever you may assume accordingly, statement will change. Temperature of hot water, initial temperature. X degree Celsius. Then heat lost by hot water will be equal to heat gained by cold water. So heat lost by hot water. What is the temperature of mixture?
X minus 30 degrees Celsius.
X minus 30. So heat lost by hot water equal to heat gained by cold water. So it is 400 gram specific heat capacity. Suppose temperature fall x minus 30, so it will become 30 degrees Celsius only. Fall in temperature is given 30 degrees Celsius. This is equal to 300 gram into specific heat capacity into its temperature will be how much? X minus 30 minus 10. Temperature of mixture is x minus 30. So its temperature will rise from 10 degree to temperature of mixture. Now, so 4 into 3, SW cancel, gram cancel, 20 cancel. So what will be 4 into 30, that is 120, will be equal to 3 into x minus 40. X minus 120. X is 240. So x is 80. So temperature of hot water is 80 degrees Celsius. Okay, 60 is not wrong answer. Okay. So you may solve the problems from other book also, or nowadays you can download any question from anywhere. Next day we shall start change of state. If you have any problem, any doubt, just you send your question on WhatsApp. Now you have left already. All of you have, no one is sending any doubt. So all of are very clear.
Sir,
Yes.
in oblong copy
Thank
we have to
you.
do 5 years.